I told the lady who came to pick up the stuff for her mother, I said, give her a bottle a day. On the second day, Joan was doing the same thing that they thought would be forever gone. See, this is electrical. This is the only electric substance on the health market right now, this product. But you know, I want to say this, coming to this church this evening to give you this lecture, I passed these herbs. Many of you know this herb, right? Burdock. But if you take the root and boil it, don't you know that you will be energized? Don't you know if you take the flower from this plant and take the seeds that will come out in the fall, around December, November, December, you will see the seeds on the plant, take them out, and you grind them, and you make a salve, and you put it on a stone that would never heal, it will heal. Here's another one. It grows in everybody's yard. You see this, right? In about another 2 months, this will be brown, brown, brown. This is called yellow dot. This is burdock. And it grows all through the yard and all through the highways, and you see it. When you take the leaves, up in the block on the tree. When you keep these leaves, you get more energy than any. Not color in the tail. So this is natural. When you eat this, you get energy. So if you take the root, it has an outer root. You peel it off. And the inner root, you boil it. The nerves, and it's so nice. When I was in Memphis, when I left you the last time, I went to Memphis. It's all through Memphis on the highway. I had everybody digging up yellow dot. Sister need a big pot. So we want to OD on it. Yeah, we want to OD. After all, it's good. And I'm already 65. I want to be young again. And why shouldn't I? Oh, that's right. I want to be happy. We drank the whole pot. And after a while, I said, wow, I want to go outside. My sister said that's the same thing I was thinking. And we went outside and we lay down, and it was so nice. It was a peace that you seldom experience. The root of the burdock, please try it.